Today we're going to show an example of using iqSDR to do a panoramic spectrum capture. And so the first thing you need to do is you start it up, and when you start it up you get this small screen, and then there you need to select the device. And so here we're going to select the device, and we've got an SDR play available, and we'll set it to 10 million samples per second. And we want to do the frequency sweep to give the panoramic view, and so we'll select the frequency sweep and then select the SDR play. And so it comes up with, we can hit the M key to mute it. It comes up with the 10 megahertz band about the center of 101.5 megahertz. That's the frequency of one of our local stations here. And you can tune the frequencies by hitting the roller on the mouse. And so the roller on the mouse lets you tune the various frequencies. We can unmute it.
The single back in the first.
And the other thing is you can select a particular station, and then you can zoom in on that station, and so it lets you zoom in to a great extent on a particular station. And so that's what the standard view of the window gives you. And now if we go over here to do the frequency sweep, we select frequency sweep, and you tell it what frequency you want to sweep over. And so we'll sweep from 80 to 120 megahertz. And you can see the spectrum is curved at the edges, so you need to cut off some of the edge of the spectrum. So I'll cut off 20% of the edge of the spectrum here. And then you hit the start key. And the start key starts going through the frequencies, and it takes it a few seconds to do each sweep. There's another window that shows that output, and I should have brought that up, but I didn't. And now I can stop. And this is the frequency sweep that it's done. And then the sweep, you can pause it by hitting the space bar. Go back and mute it. So there it's paused, hitting the space bar. And so you can see from 90 to 100 is the frequency span. And this time it's got steps on the various regions. I'm not sure. Sometimes it puts in steps and sometimes it doesn't. I guess it depends upon how long it's been warmed up. But anyway, you can see all the frequencies across the frequency FM band, starting down here at 85 up to 100 and so. And if you want to look at one of the frequencies, well, you just do what I did here. You just click on it.
Bros heat. That's right, only $29. Visit comfortbros.com to book an appointment. Comfort Bros.
If we go back to the frequency sweep, we can then do the zoom on it. So we can zoom on it and get a closer view. And zoom in some more, and then the slider lets you move back and forth across the the zoomed region. And so that's doing the panoramic spectrum on the FM band. And it works pretty good. It depends upon which device you use. This was the SDR Play RSP2, and sometimes you get these steps and sometimes you don't. It just depends upon how the device is feeling today.